Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name is Gary and today I have for you a hair tutorial video, and I wanted to show you my go-to hairstyles with claw clips. These are super trendy at the moment, but they are also very quick and easy, and especially if you're like me and you don't have a lot of time or you don't want to spend a lot of time doing your hair, these are just perfect. So let's get into this video. One of my favorite things about these hairstyles is that you don't need to prep your hair. If you have straight, wavy or even curly hair, you might not even need to straighten it. And you can see my hair at the moment is pretty straight, but this is my natural hair. I washed my hair last night and this is how it looks. And for these hairstyles you need only your brush, maybe a little comb like this is very useful, and your favorite hair clips. I have this mini one right here. This one I use for my half up, half down hairstyles, and bigger one. I actually have two different big ones. This one and this one right here. These are so pretty. They look very vintage, very 90s, and I think they are just so adorable. And I just quickly go in and brush my hair. If you want the hairstyles to be a little bit more slick, of course you can go in with a straightener. Honestly, I'm so happy that claw clips are trendy at the moment, because I think I've never stopped using them. My hair is just so big, so thick, and usually, especially when it's hot like this, I just want my hair out of my face when I'm at home or when I'm running errands. I don't wear my hair down. And for the first hairstyle, I will use the mini claw clips. These are just more comfortable for me. And what I'm doing, I'm just grabbing two pieces from the front of my hair. And excuse me if I'm watching in my viewfinder, but I use it as a mirror. So I just grab a piece and do little loose twists like this one, and I clip it on the back, and the same with the other front piece. And you can adjust the pieces to your preference. You can even do a little braid on the back or twist them over, and I will just show you how it looks from the side and from behind. I think this first one was the most basic one, and the second one will be another half up hairstyle, but I do it a little bit differently. So when my hair is done, I just grab the top part of it like this with my thumbs, with an upwards motion just where my ears are, the top of my ears, and I grab this section. And you can leave it with a parting, but I prefer to have it smooth without the parting. And you can stop here and just clip it with a claw clip, but what I do is I do a mini top knot. Just twist your hair like this around your finger, and when you have a little bit of hair left, just clip it on the back with a claw clip. I absolutely love this one. It's one of my favorites, and I do my hair half up, half down all the time. I feel it's very comfortable, and with the little knot on the top, it's something a little bit more interesting. Also, the hairstyles with claw clips are just so comfortable on your head, because you know, if you have your ponytail in a very tight ponytail, your head just starts to hurt, but with claw clips you don't have this. So this is the second hairstyle. It literally takes 30 seconds. Next, I want to show you how I do my French twist. And you just grab all of your hair like behind your ears and very low where you would do a low ponytail or a bun. You can do it sleeker. This is where I usually use a little comb to make it a little bit more neat and sleek. You grab the bottom of your hair and you just start doing this very tight twist until all the hair is into very tight twist. Grab a claw clip like this and just pinch it. And you can leave the top part sticking like this. I personally like it. I think it looks cute, but of course you can just tuck it into the clip. This is just literally a few twists. You put the clip and you have a hairstyle that's really nice and pretty. The second option I want to show you for this hairstyle is pretty much the same with your hair, but you make it a lot more loose. You put it lower on the back and clip it, but not all the way up. You clip 2/3 of it and you leave the top part sticking like this. And I think this one looks so much fun. I love wearing this hairstyle when I'm wearing more casual jeans, sweats, crop tops, t-shirts kind of looks. And the last hairstyle I want to show you today is what I call the reverse twist. I don't know if this is the actual name. It's pretty much the twist, but you do it upside down. So you grab your hair, but you put it much higher. And this time, to make it a little bit more interesting, I leave a little bit of the parting of my hair. So you grab your hair higher and start doing the twist. Twist it very tight, like this. Then the bottom part, you grab it too and tuck it into one and tuck it together with the rest of your hair. Just grab the claw clips and clip everything together. And this is it. This is the reverse French twist. You can do it like sleek like this. This is my personal preference, or you can grab some pieces of hair and pull them out, or make it like a messy style. But I personally prefer this more sleek look because I think it looks put together, even though it's honestly just such a quick, easy hairstyle. So I think this was it for today's video. These are my hairstyles that I do with claw clips. You can see that these are the quickest, the easiest hairstyles that you can do, and I think they look so nice and cute, especially for summer. They are very trendy, and if you have a very fashionable look, I think it's the perfect way to finish off your entire outfit, and you will look very put together, very chic, very stylish. For me, it feels nice and comfortable. I have my hair away from my face, so it's the perfect one for me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe down below for more videos, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Ciao!